Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi A4 grille. First, gather your tools, including Torx bits like T25, T30, and T20, along with a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and extensions. You will also need a small screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Prepare a soft surface or protective matting to safely rest the bumper once removed. Remember to disconnect your car's battery before starting to prevent any unnecessary error codes. Now, let's tackle the front bumper. Begin by removing the 3 T30 Torx screws at the top of the bumper, accessible under the hood. Next, remove 6 T25 Torx screws and 1 plastic plug from each front fender liner. Gently pull back the fender liners to access 2 more T25 Torx screws and 2 10mm nuts behind them. Finally, carefully pull the bumper outwards from the sides to release clips, then disconnect any fog light or sensor connectors before setting it aside. With the bumper safely off, it's time to remove the old grille. You'll find about 9 to 12 T20 Torx screws on the back of the grille, holding it to the bumper cover. Remove all of these fasteners. Then, gently unclip the remaining plastic tabs around the perimeter of the grille using a small screwdriver. Once free, carefully detach the old grille. Now, transfer your Audi emblem and any specific mounting brackets from the old grille to your new replacement, ensuring they are securely fastened. To reassemble, first align your new grille with the bumper and secure it using all the screws and clips you removed earlier. Next, carefully reattach the bumper to the car, ensuring all electrical connections for fog lights and sensors are plugged back in. Guide the bumper back into place, securing the side clips and then all the Torx screws and nuts. Double-check that all fasteners are tight and that the bumper is flush with the body panels for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.